Hi friends, and welcome to another video of Just Being Honest. In today's video, I'm going to share how does Singapore Press Holdings, or commonly known as SPH, make money. I'm sure that most of you know that SPH is a company that prints the most read newspaper in Singapore called the Straits Times. It has been serving readers for more than a century since 1845, covering news from all over the world. However, as we know that businesses have to evolve with time, otherwise it will become obsolete. And that is what SPH has done over the years, venturing into other industries outside of its core business. Before I start, hope you can give a like for this video and also subscribe to my channel. And let's begin. There are actually 4 business segments for SPH. There is the media, retail and commercial, purpose-built student accommodation, and others, which is aged care and digital. So here's a simple illustration of how SPH make money from their media. So they either produce content or they own media assets. Because there are consumers that passing by their media assets or read into their content, and advertisers want to reach out to these consumers. So what happens is that the advertisers will pay money to SPH, and SPH will put the content of the advertisers onto their newspaper, magazines, websites, or media assets, so that this will allow the advertisers to reach out to this consumer. And with the consumers exposed to the content of the advertisers, there will be some percentage of them that will actually click on the ads or read about it and try to know more about the company and hopefully make a purchase from the advertisers. For the newspaper under media, SPH has the Straits Times, 早报, Business Times, Berita Harian, Tamil, and the New Paper. For magazines, there is Her World, Women's Weekly, Harper Bazaar, Female, 你有, Home Decor, The Icon, Peak, Hardware Zone Magazine, and You Weekly. And they also do it through their radio station as well, whereby when you are listening to the news or music on the radio station, and then halfway you'll be hearing some ads. So there are some of the radio stations that SPH owns, which is 89.3 Money FM, 1 FM 91.3, Kiss 92 FM, 96.3 FM, and 100.3 FM. And they own media assets such as televisions outside public spaces and also CBD as well. For the retail and commercial segment, SPH owns equity in SPH REIT. They also own the property, the Seletar Mall, and they also had a JV for the Woodleigh Residence and also the Woodleigh Mall. For the SPH REIT, SPH owns an equity stake in the REIT itself, and the REIT itself basically makes money by renting out the properties and taking the rental income from the tenants. So some of the properties that SPH REIT own are the Clementi Mall, Paragon, Fig Tree Grove, Westview Maron, and the Rail Mall. And we also have the Seletar Mall that is owned directly by SPH. And then there's also the Woodleigh Residence and the Woodleigh Mall. For the Woodleigh Residences, this is a JV with another company where SPH and the other company will develop the property and then sell it off. And then as for the Woodleigh Mall, it will be built and then being owned by SPH for recurring income through renting out the properties. For the purpose-built student accommodation, this is where SPH will either buy over an existing property or buy over a land to build a purpose-built student accommodation. And they will target students who are either living in the country itself or overseas students who want to live in this purpose-built student accommodation to be near to their school. And with these properties, SPH will be renting out the properties to these students to collect rental income. For the aged care, SPH has properties in Singapore and Japan, and this is where it targets elderly who require elderly care. With these properties, SPH rents out these properties to operators who take care of elderlies. For the digital segment, SPH has direct investments in several digital companies such as SG Carmart, Fast Jobs, M1, Q10, and as well as other companies across Southeast Asia. They also have an investment arm called the SPH Ventures, where it invests in high-growth companies which are in the media and tech segment. And these are some of the companies that SPH have invested through their media arm. Under their Treasury portfolio, SPH also owns properties in Singapore and also China and Hong Kong as well. And there we have it for SPH. So it makes money from its media, retail and commercial, digital, aged care and purpose-built student accommodation. Hope you enjoyed this video, and do remember to like and subscribe. Do let me know what other companies you'd like me to do next as well, and who knows, I will do a video about it. Have a good day ahead, and bye bye.